So, Peter here, welcome back to another video. Now, have you ever had the hiccups and you couldn't just not get rid of them and you just have had enough? Because if that's the case, you come to the right video, because I'm going to tell you the top 10 ways to get rid of them. Now, I personally hate them. I like the hiccups, not the reasons, just the hiccups. I had them earlier today, and I used some of these. I'll tell you which ones I used. Number 1, a spoonful of sugar. A spoonful of sugar helps not just medicine to go down, which is actually a song, but it's also a cure for hiccups. The sugar is believed to stimulate the nerve and to help reset the nerves, thus making the body forget about the hiccups. Take a spoonful of sugar and put it in your mouth and swallow it slowly. Slowly, okay? Number 2, bite into a lime. The trick is biting into a wedge of a lime or sipping something sour to shock your senses and forgetting you have the hiccups. The feeling you experience when biting something sour is similar to your reaction when someone scares you. Yeah. Apart from this, there's also the probability that sourness triggers a set of nerves into the throat that are responsible for the hiccup reflex. A common suggestion is to place a few drops of bitterness on the lemon wedge to make it more effective. Okay. Number 3, swallow peanut butter. I've never done this, but I guess I could try it next time I have them. Now, peanut butter is the most famous hiccup cure you'll ever come across. Really? Okay. When chewing and swallowing the peanut butter and getting it all over your tongue and teeth, while swallowing and breathing patterns are disturbed from the normal mode, they can believe to stop continuous hiccuping very easily. I never knew that. Number 4, stick out your tongue. No, not necessarily at someone. It would be better to try this technique in private. Pulling the tongue is considered to be a surefire method to get rid of the hiccups fast. The nerve gets stimulated and the tongue is pulled and the diaphragm's spasms ease up. Number 5, breathe into a paper bag. Haven't done this either. The paper bag method works by increasing the carbon dioxide levels in your blood and making the diaphragm contract more deeply to bring in more oxygen. This is believed to help stop the hiccups. Well, I haven't really tried it, so I don't know if it does. But if you guys want to try these, feel free to. Number 6, water to the rescue. Now, I've done this. I've actually done this one. One of the reasons why water can help get rid of hiccups is because you go put down water and the rhythmic contractions of the override spasms is the diaphragm. Another principle is where you can contract it, gulping the water down, and the hiccups will pull hard to drink. Take a look at some methods. If you want, you don't have to. Number 7, scare tactics. Now, I've done this one as well. One time when I had them, I was watching Five Nights at Freddy's, Jacksepticeye. It was scary, but I don't know if it worked or not, because it was a long time ago. I'm not sure if it worked or not. A sudden scare works in 2 ways. It jump-starts your breath pattern and gives you an overriding stimulation of the sympathetic nerve systems. This activates of a fight or flight stress response, resulting in a distraction and constant about the hiccups. Yeah, so maybe you guys can try that. A spoonful of cocoa powder. I have not done this one. Like peanut butter and almond butter, a spoonful of powdered cocoa is also one of the easiest ways to get rid of them. Take a teaspoon of cocoa powder and try to swallow it instantly. Since it is not as easy as it sounds, it requires some effort and short circuits the hiccups and help stop it. Next one, number 9. Honey in warm water. I haven't done this one. Honey can tickle the nerve, making the hiccups stop. Stir a teaspoon of honey in some warm water and put this on the back of your tongue and swallow it. Hiccups will stop fast. Really? Didn't know that. Number 10, the 10th and final one, the 30-second method. The Miz method only lasts for 30 seconds. It is a bit complicated. However, it is said to be highly effective. Here are some step-by-step directions on how to do it right. Inhale through your mouth and until your lungs feel full. Swallow is not really swallowing anything, but it seems to without an act it doesn't work. Do not let any air out. Okay. Repeat 3 and 4. Inhale and swallow until you cannot swallow again. Number 6. Exhale. If done correctly, the whole process should take around 30 seconds and the hiccups will be gone. It's just for another video. Leave a comment below. Let me know if there's any I've missed or any that you have used and they've worked. Click subscribe. It's somewhere around me. Remember, just leave a thumbs up. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, peace.